Question number 5. Chantel is asking, what metrics are important to measure sales performance? This is a very important question. To measure your sales performance, you will need to keep track of 1. Your total revenue per month, your gross margin on monthly basis, your net profit on monthly basis. You will need to have total amounts, B2C sales and B2B sales in the case that you are selling to consumers, and in the case that you are working with wholesalers and retailers, you need to be able to see these numbers per sales channel. So B2C sales channel and B2B sales channel, you need to be able to evaluate it. For the B2C, you will need to keep track of unique page visitors per month, number of purchases per month, and you will need to calculate customer conversion rate. Normally, if you run a Shopify store, the customer conversion rate will be calculated for you automatically. You see it. Why do you need this value of customer conversion rate? Because you want to see how is your store performing right now. A customer conversion rate of 5% and above is considered very good. Anything below 5% is considered low. So in a different stages, of course, but if you have conversion rate of 1%, you know that you need to enhance it. So you need to work on enhancing your product offer. If you have conversion rate of 5% or above, you have a great offer, it's a great converting offer, and the enhancement of your offer is not the priority probably right now. You will need to track your monthly pipeline projection for 12 months ahead. Everybody who runs a business needs to have a projection on your revenues, total revenues, your gross revenues for the next 12 months. And at the moment that I would ask you how much turnover are you expecting in March 2023, you should be able to tell me. Without these numbers, you will be operating in the dark. The next metric that you need to measure is the average cart value, average revenue per account, customer acquisition costs, and monthly recurring revenue. I want to say something to the customer acquisition costs here. It is a very good metric. It is a KPI that is being calculated using the total amount of money spent for advertisement divided by amount of customers won, new customers that you won. And why do you want to have it? Because with customer acquisition costs, you will be able to evaluate a certain advertisement platform. You will see whether it works for you or not. You will also see what your average cart value needs to be able to deploy a certain advertisement channel. Say, for example, if your average cart value is 20 and the customer acquisition costs is 40, you have a choice either not to work with this advertisement channel, or you need to work on your offer and increase your average cart value. Actually, you would need to increase it by 4 times. The reason being that what you want to advertise for is an offer where amount of revenue you get from one sale allows you to cover customer acquisition costs for 2 more clients. If you have an advertisement channel that brings in an offer that in conjunction give you this result, you have an offer, an advertisement way that will allow you to scale your product. So let me repeat once again all the metrics: total revenue, gross margin, net profit, totally for B2C and B2B, unique page visitors, number of purchases, customer conversion rate, your monthly pipeline projection for 12 months ahead, average cart value, average revenue per account, customer acquisition costs, and monthly recurring revenue.